Make money doesn't grow on trees, but it can rain from the web. How to make a fortune online without spending a dime.
Have you ever wondered how to turn your online presence into a goldmine without spending a dime? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the realm where money doesn't grow on trees, but it certainly rains from the web. Welcome to the digital gold rush, an era where the internet is an untapped reservoir of wealth. In this journey, we'll unravel the countless ways you can make money online without having to spend a single penny. Assume making money online is akin to decoding quantum physics. Time to change that perspective. With countless strategies at your disposal, you'll soon be navigating the online money-making ocean like a seasoned sailor. First on the list, affiliate marketing. It's the equivalent of earning money while you're fast asleep. Collaborate with top-tier brands, endorse their products, and watch as the cash starts rolling in. Passive income has never been this enticing. Ever thought your opinions could earn you money? Online surveys and reviews are your pathway to some quick cash. While it might not make you a millionaire overnight, it's definitely a great starting point. Next up, digital products and services. From writing ebooks to creating online courses, your skills can serve as a cash-generating powerhouse. The cherry on top? Zero production costs once it's live and kicking. Have a blog or website? It's time to monetize that online real estate. With platforms like Google AdSense, your site could turn into a personal money-making machine. Just focus on creating top-notch content and let the ads do the rest. Welcome to the world of SEO. It's the magic wand that boosts traffic and revenue. Optimize your content like a pro and watch your online visibility soar. After all, more views mean more money, and who doesn't love the sound of that? Social media, the digital world's party hub. From Facebook to Instagram, it's time to convert those likes and shares into dollars. Engage, create, and watch your online empire flourish. Email marketing, the unsung hero of the digital world. Build a loyal fan base, nurture relationships, and sprinkle in some enticing offers. The result? A committed customer base and an inbox full of opportunities. Now, meet the real-life heroes, Jane Doe, the food blogger who turned her passion into a six-figure income, and John Smith, the graphic artist who's raking in the big bucks with his digital art. If they can do it, so can you. There you have it, folks. The keys to online wealth are now within your grasp. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but with these strategies, you can certainly start laying the foundation of your online empire today. Ready to conquer the online world? Begin your journey to wealth right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on more exciting content.
I hope this video has inspired you to start your own small business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more videos on how to start and grow your own business, achieve financial freedom, and live your best life. Thanks for watching.